This is a white pine tree. White pine trees are commonly used for screens and barriers. However, when they get older, they sometimes lose their branching. And when you have heavy snow load and ice load, the branches can break, leaving lots of branches on the ground. If this has occurred to you and your lower branches have lost, come to us and we can give you many suggestions to fill in the spaces at the bottoms of white pines to give you back the privacy that you once had. White pines are a great tree, but they do have their problems. Sometimes spruces do not have the same problems as pines because their branches are just a little bit stronger. But many times people have already planted a white pine, and that's the animal that it is. It likes to grow up and become a tree form where there's no lower branching to it. So if you have a problem like that, don't be afraid to give us a call. Our number is 215-651-8329. Thank you.